just wanted to finish up on the tank mixing problem because I wanted to show you one thing here. This was our system of differential equations, right? Here. And you'll notice that we typically don't have this extra vector here. And what I just wanted to do in this video was to show that with the proper substitution you can get rid of the extra vector there, so that your derivative is just the matrix times the vector. Okay, and so there's a hint in the notes here on how to do that. If we make this substitution, then that should work. So let's see how that works. So I want to make the substitution. Let me get back to white here. A little bit easier to read. X1 is A minus 120, and X2 is equal to B minus 140. And what I want is to get a system of equations in terms of X1 and X2. And so I notice that X1 prime is equal to A prime, and X2 prime is equal to B prime. So that's nice. And now, what happens if I take a look at the system with the matrix? Let's see, what is it? Minus 2 over 50, 1 over 50, 1 over 50. Oops. Okay. 1 over 50, there we go. Minus 3 over 50. And what happens if I just put in A minus 120 and B minus 140? Let's see what I get. Let's see, so I'm going to get minus 2 over 50 times A minus 120 plus 1 over 50 times B minus 140 on the top, and on the bottom I'm going to have 1 over 50 times A minus 120 plus minus 350 minus 3 over 50 times B minus 140. Okay, so let's do some computations there. That's going to be equal to minus 2 over 50 times A plus 1 over 50 times B plus, okay, so that's going to be, let's see, 240 minus 140 divided by 50. And then in the bottom I'm going to have a 1 over 50 times A minus 3 over 50 times B plus, and then what am I going to have over 50? Oops, darn it. Let's see, it looks like minus 120 from there plus 3 times 140 from that side, which is 420. And so what we end up with, you might notice, I could be written as minus 2 over 50, 2 over 50, I'll let you see that it could be written this way, 1 over 50 times minus 2 over 50 times AB plus, and then, whoops, I'm having a heck of a time this morning. This is 100 over 50, which is 2, and this is 300 over 50, which is 6. Good. And so you see here that this is A prime over B prime, or A prime and B prime, which is X1 prime, X2 prime. Good. So what we have just shown is that, whoops, I don't want to move that box, I just want to move this up. We've shown that the system X1 prime, X2 prime is equal to minus 2 over 50, 1 over 50, 1 over 50 minus 3 over 50 times X1, X2. Good. And so this is now of our in the form that we normally look at things. Good. So you're going to practice that in the exercises. The homework is to, well, try all the problems in the homework in the notes there that are just below these links, but you'll only turn in 6, 8, 9, and 10B. Okay, I think that'll do it for now. We've got lots of videos from this section. See you in the next section.